What do you think of the pancakes, my dude?
Always a win in my books. Muy rico. Remember that word? That
Very
means,
good.
That means rich.
Yeah, that part. Now I'm waiting in line to get some coffee while listening to some music.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're just leaving Feria Verde, which means green fair in Spanish, if you didn't know. So it's just a place where people go. A lot of people look like hippies go, but just really people that are very earthy, I guess. A lot of good food. Just ate a pancake, Aaron
I had like a circle pancake thingies, like they're like a ball.
Yeah.
They were really good. And it was like whole wheat, I think, flour or something. It was it wasn't like your typical flour that you can get in the States, but it was really good. It came with like this homemade, I believe, probably organic chocolate that was made here in Costa Rica.
They actually make it in the house, like they what
are you saying?
the little cacao seeds,
They
do all that kind of stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they make it.
I actually have no idea. I was just about to end them.
Oh,
I was guessing.
I'd assume.
Yeah, so you can buy like other things here, like arts and things. People make a lot of stuff.
It's really good food. Got some good coffee here.
Exactly.
Mocha. It's probably made here, like in house. The chocolate syrup here.
Yep.
So.
And there's also a lot of organic food that like fruits and vegetables that you can buy as well. So a pretty cool place to go on a Saturday.
Yeah, it was really cool. I really enjoyed it. But now we're off to
Bajos del Toro, which means the underside of a bull.
Yeah, it looks really cool. It's a cool waterfall. It looks like something out of Avatar and some other blue waterfall that I don't even think it has a name. Just finished hiking around Bajos del Toro, del Toro, and we just saw the amazing waterfalls. The blue water was just fantastic, and Crystal. It was so unreal. But granted, it started raining on us in the middle of us checking out that waterfall. The blue one, I'm probably gonna like put some little video in here, but it was just a little sketch for me to like walk around and just vlog in there, and I also felt guilty for holding up some the guys who are working there, so I just held off from vlogging right over there. But other than that, though, it was really cool, good, easy. Both of the hikes were really easy, very simple, and there's just like rocks and stuff that were pretty good indicators of where to get to the waterfall, since we didn't really quite need a guide except to cross the little river. And
he held Aaron's hand.
He held my hand. I enjoyed it. It was a good time. No homo. And I just absolutely loved the first blue waterfall, and flying the drone over that gigantic waterfall. Whew, that was amazing. And then we have some blue water right here. Well, actually, it's not over here.
Blue.
No, there was another one. There was another bridge somewhere along this way.
It's
That
okay.
had blue.
It's colorblind.
Look, I'm colorblind. It's a problem, okay? A little bit. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed that little footage and the photos. If you haven't seen any of the photos, it'll probably be on my Instagram, or I might post them on here. I'm not quite sure, but if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram and see them. Anyways, back to San Jose we're going, and we were basically the last people in both like waterfalls. We were probably the last people to go in, and we definitely were there a lot longer, and we beat people out of them.
Not the last out, yeah.
Yeah, we weren't the last ones across the finish line, so that was a plus.
That's
and the gigantic waterfall, I don't remember the name of that one, but
it's called Bajos del Toro.
okay, so
The other ones were Las Gemelas.
okay. I didn't know those names, but there's a cool hummingbird little area. Was it like what would you call it?
Call it what?
The hummingbird area.
Like a garden. It was like a hummingbird garden.
Yeah, a little garden.
They just they had food put out for them, like the sweet nectar, whatever stuff. And there was like millions of them flying around, like at your face. Super cool.
Yeah, especially if you want to see hummingbirds here. That was a great viewing area. They get really close to you. It just sounded like, oh man, I can't even describe it. It's just like it sounded like how Dash does in The Incredibles. It's really cool. Anyways, back to San Jose we go before it gets dark.
Yeah.
Because it's sketchy roads, man. Look at these roads. Sketch. Especially when there's like these really steep roads here. But this is totally the blue water bridge. I'm 90% certain this is the blue water. Yeah, there it is. The turquoise blue. Yeah.
Call that Celeste. Agua Celeste.
Agua Celeste. You learned some Spanish here, folks.
Yeah.
Education.
Learn it right here.
Right here.
In the car. Our friend.
And that was education time.
Oh shoot, now I gotta get past this thing.
Here comes the fun.